If you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, here are some tips that may help. 1. Create high-quality content. Make sure that your videos are well-produced, engaging, and provide value to your viewer. You can also optimize your videos for SEO by including relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. 2. Consistency is key. Try to upload videos on a regular schedule, so your viewer know when to expect new content from you. 3. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, forums, and other online communities to help get the word out about your channel. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages, and ask your viewer for feedback to help build a sense of community around your channel. 5. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partnering with other creators can help expose your channel to new audiences and build relationships in the YouTube community. 6. Use analytics. Pay attention to your YouTube analytics to understand which videos are performing well and which ones aren't. This information can help you make adjustments to your content strategy to better meet the needs of your audience. Remember that growing a YouTube channel takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent, and keep working to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience.